Before I start the topic, I want to share with you a quotation by Benjamin Franklin. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn. This phrase is perfectly applied for life and in consequence to our education labor to generate meaningful knowledge in our students. Evolution of the language. Families who shared the same language and culture were divided into small groups. They are developed in different forms of life. The communication wasn't the exception. It was turned into similar dialects with pronunciation and vocabulary in radically different languages. Origin of English. English is descended from the language spoken by the Germanic tribes that migrated from what is now northern Germany and part of Denmark to the land that would be known as England. These tribes are traditionally identified with the names of Anglos, Saxon, and Jutes. Period in the development of English. There are 4 periods: Old English, Middle English, Early Modern English, Late Modern English. Let's see some characteristics about them. Old English. The dialect spoken by the Anglo-Saxon Jutes make up Old English. Middle English. An empire of Norman culture is established. Early Modern English. In the Middle English, dialects that generate a rich tradition through writing are diverse. Late Modern English. The main difference between Early Modern English and Late Modern English is the vocabulary. Let's make an important question. How does the English language impact on our Mexican culture? The main impact on our Mexican culture is because we live in a globalized world. As we can see, English is the main language of the books, newspapers, TV shows, music, films, internet, science and technology, tourism, airports, higher education, and international business. These activities have relation with our life. In summary, it can be said that English language is present in almost all the world and is considered the main element of communication between very diverse cultures that share few or not common traits.